Hello and welcome to another video. I am Shrey Kajaria from RaptorKit, and in this video I am going to show you how you will get a free WordPress hosting for lifetime. So many people ask me that we want to learn WordPress but we don't have enough money to invest in web hosting. Also we don't know how to work on WordPress or use WordPress. So in this particular video I am going to show you how you can get a free WordPress hosting for lifetime with proof so that you can try out and learn WordPress for free. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that please watch this video till the end step by step, because if you skip any important step then your account might get cancelled or don't get approved. Then I won't be able to help you in that case. Just follow me step by step to claim your free WordPress hosting for lifetime. Also, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe it to watch more videos like this. Alright, without wasting further time, let's start this video. So you will get a link in the description of this video, so just click on it and you will be redirected to this page. Well, if you are using any ad blocker, then first you need to disable it, as this site provides us free hosting, but in return they show us some ads to cover up their server cost. So it's fine, we can see these ads and it's our duty to support them as they are giving us a WordPress hosting for free for lifetime. So in this page you will be asked to log in with your account details, but first we need to create an account. So just click on create account and just skip these ads. So here you need to enter your details. Now this is very important step as many people fail to claim their account because of this step. So as this website providing us a free WordPress hosting, so we need to enter our real and authentic details as their team will verify and approve it manually. So to avoid from get rejected by this website, you need to enter your original and authentic details. For personal information, I will enter my name, last name and email address with my phone number. In the billing address section, you can enter your company name, but it's optional, so I won't edit. Below I will enter my home address, city name, state name, postal code and my country name. In additional information section, you can select your currency, so I will keep it as USD. In account security section, I will enter my account password. And if you want to receive their promotional emails, then you can select this mail option, or you can just ignore it and just check mark this option to accept their terms of service and click on register button. Now you will receive an email on your registered email address for confirmation of your account. So I will go to my inbox and you can see this email verification mail. So just open it and here and just click on this verify your email now button. And after that you will be redirected to a new page and see that your email is now verified. So now just click on the below button, continue to client area. Alright, now our account has been created, but you can see right now we don't have any active services here. So just click on this services tab and click on order new services. And you can't use this hosting for this type of activities which are mentioned here, so please don't use it. Now we will just click on order now button. Now they will ask you for a domain name. So if you already have a registered domain name, then you can select the option I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Or if you want to buy a new domain, then you can select this option and purchase a new domain name for your site. Or if you want to use their free subdomain, then you can choose it from here. And here you can see the ci.is and onweb.im options, means these are the free subdomain that this company is providing us. So I will choose ci.is and enter my domain name and click on this check button. Now you will be redirected to this order summary page, so just click on continue button. After that you will be redirected to this review page where you can review your order details here, and the pricing is 0, so just click on this checkout button. And here you can review your billing address and other personal details that you have entered while registering your account. And you can select any payment method as we don't need to pay anything. So I will select the UPI and just click this check button to accept their terms of services, and finally click on complete order button. So now you will be redirected to this order confirmation page where you can see your order number. So I will just click on continue to client area. Now if I click on the services tab and visit my services page, so you will see that right now our free hosting account is in pending status, and most of the time it takes around 30 to 60 minutes to get verified and active. But if this company receives a large number of orders, then it might take 24 hours too. As of now I am recording this video, I can't wait too long, so I have already claimed another service from another account, so I will show you the further steps on that account. So here you can see how your account will look like after it gets approved. Alright, now we will install WordPress on our free hosting. So just click on this access now button below this Googie panel tab. Here you can see your hosting account server name, IP address and name server. So if you want to connect your custom domain to this hosting, so you can update these details in your DNS management. Now to install WordPress, we will just click on this software close installer option, and here we will click on this install new tab option and click on this blog option. Now here you can see different versions of WordPress, but we will select the latest version of the WordPress, that is 6.1.1. Now here we need to select our domain name, leave the directory and the database options blank, and just select HTTPS protocol to make your site SSL certified and secure. Here you need to enter your site name, description of your site, and just select the language of your blog and ignore these other two settings. Now move on to login details tab. Here we need to enter the username, password and the email address of our WordPress admin. So whenever we want to log into our WordPress dashboard, we will use these details. Just click on this install button. Now after installation, your WordPress website will look like this. But here you can see we don't have SSL certificate on our site. So to install SSL certificate on our website, just go to advanced feature tab and click on SSL certificates. And here we need to click on let's encrypt button. Here we don't need to edit any settings, any option in basic as well as entries tab. Just click on this wildcard option, just turn it on and click on this encrypt button. So you will see this notification that the certificate has been encrypted successfully, and it might take some time to show on our site. And now we will log into our WordPress dashboard. So to log in into your WordPress dashboard, just type wp-admin in front of your domain name and press enter. And here we need to enter our admin username and password that we have entered at the time of installing WordPress on our hosting details, and click on this login button to log in into my dashboard. So here we just logged into our WordPress dashboard successfully, and from here I can visit my website again. Also you can see that the SSL certificate is now active on our site. Also I would like to tell you that once your account gets reviewed and gets verified, then you will receive an email like this, and here you can see the account which I have created 45 minutes ago is also gets activated. Now talking about the resources that we will get in this free hosting is you can install 3 websites on this hosting, and you will get total of 100 MB SSD storage, which is 1 GB SSD storage. You will get a free SSL certificates on your website with 100 GB of bandwidth. Also you will get WordPress manager plus free business email related to your domain name plus MySQL FTP accounts plus Cloudflare protection and 99% uptime. Alright, you can try out this free WordPress hosting, and in the future if your site grows and you need more resources, so then you can easily upgrade to their premium services that start from $2.5 per month, and which is quite cheap too. So the free hosting link is given in the description box. Just go through that link and claim your free WordPress hosting for a lifetime. Alright, that's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more interesting videos like this, and see you in the next video.